The evolution of my eyebrows, because we don't just wake up randomly one day and get good at something. My technique with doing my brows has gotten better over the years, and while I do have older brow tutorials on my YouTube channel, embarrassingly enough, I'm long overdue for a new one.
Lay my edges, not a professional makeup artist, none of that. Here's a makeup video. Okay.
All thanks to social media, we get to take a look back at my brows. Here's a few pictures from my Instagram in 2016, a few photos from 2014 as well. I haven't hid too many of my pictures on Instagram, so if you all were to scroll all the way back, y'all could see this stuff too. I'm showing you all this in hopes of motivating you all in any aspect of your life, that anything you continue to do and practice and try, you can get better at doing that. Consistency is key. Look at us building up to 2019 and 2020. Sis, look at these brows. Let's get into the tutorial. This is about to be the most epic video that I have ever filmed on my YouTube channel. Hey y'all, it's ᶫᵒᵔ. I'm long overdue for filming an eyebrow routine for y'all. So today, with the twist, y'all, we're gonna film my eyebrow routine, but in IKEA. Let's go. Which one did you pull up?
I just showed them your face.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's me. Okay, cool. Tell your wife I say hello.
What's your YouTube channel?
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna take my mask off. Literally, nobody's over here. I'm about to film my highly requested, brow tutorial for you all. If I have time at the end, I'll show you all my beautiful bathroom. If y'all are curious about anything that's in here, I got it at IKEA. IKEA should sponsor me. No, look at that messed up right there. This music, I'm gonna just do its best with my editing so that I don't get a strike. I put everything in my bag and I fit it in my purse. And Boom had a bigger bag, so I had her to just bring my powder that I need at the end. The music is on pause right now, so let's get started. Everything that I'm using, I'm going to link down below as well for you all. I like this bathroom. We was kind of like looking around like, which one should we get? Take my purse off. I'm at home. This sink, I got two sinks, so we got to see which sink will look cuter.
Brighter, I was saying, like behind you, since it got
the shower behind me. If I can push it in the corner, let me see. Which side do you like best? I like that behind me. Yeah. But see, the sink for where I'm putting the camera at, I can't really put it on this side. I wish that plant was up higher.
Move it to behind.
My camera crew is working with my background behind me, if y'all are wondering. But I start off, I left all my stuff. This is the public get ready with me challenge. I have to do it, okay? D-side started this challenge.
So the first thing I'm gonna do when I wake up in the morning,
you can't see the plant now.
Let's put the plant.
Sit the plant on that. We're gonna put everything back IKEA, don't worry.
Right here.
Look, I got guests checking out my house in the back. Boom. Now we're a real YouTuber. That's the plant, sis. So for my brows, currently I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in deep brown. It's basically like a spoolie, but it already has the brow gel on it in this little tube. Let's go in closer because I gotta get this right, baby. We gotta get it right. So I try to swipe off as much of it as I can. Lately, I fill my brows in first with the brow gel before I clean them up. And before I use my brow pencil, because it helps me to not use as much of my brow pencil, y'all will see. So I brush the brow out like that. Yeah, I'm really in IKEA doing my eyebrows right now. Like, who you know built like this? So for concealer, use whichever concealer of choice that you have. Underneath my brows, I just make sure that the concealer of choice. We're really in IKEA right now.
I didn't want to interrupt, but this looks like the people on Vogue.
I know, right? My shower clean. Look, I got the plant in the back. Y'all like my new decor? Girl, turn my purse around. Because it's black on the back. I ain't got no soap scum. If y'all want me to tell y'all what I use on my tub in my shower, let me know. I got you, sis, because my mirrors are clean. So underneath my brows, I take a lighter concealer. As far as the brushes, you just want your brush to be slim. It doesn't matter if it's skinny like this or if it's a little bit wider. As long as when you look at it, it's like really slim, not wide, it'll work for you. Concealer of choice, currently I'm loving the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. Mine is in Deep Caramel. So I'm gonna use this little pink brush, actually. One of my subscribers gifted this to me. I love this concealer too because it's only $6. I think my entire brow routine that I'm showing y'all today is drugstore. Go like this, right? I don't like it to be straight right here. I sweep it like that just to clean up under the brow. I told y'all I use the pencil towards the end. I'm used to doing both at the same time, so I'm gonna have to do both at the same time. I think that'll make more sense to me. I wish I could lift my tripod up a little bit more. I think this is as high as it goes though. Let's work on this one as well. I'm gonna do them at the same time. Okay. I had a lot of people in my house at first, but everybody's gone now for now. I brush really lightly up and out, and I'm not pressing it too much into my skin. Boom, just like that. Then we take the concealer. I'm staying nice and clean with everything, dropping it back in my bag. Dab a little bit onto the brush. Skin, baby, we giving. Listen, I go with a slant though, because I don't want it to be too... Shut up, Destiny. You can't talk to the brows. Hold on. Pull it out right here in the front, and I like to connect that. Then I take whatever my foundation shade is of choice. You don't have to use the same foundation I'm using, just make sure you're using your foundation shade. Mine currently is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer, and mine is in Amber. I take a small amount of this. Even if I'm only doing brows for the day, I still can use my foundation for this. Dab off a bunch of it there. Instead of going straight to give my brows a lift in this area, right? It's going up this way, kind of straight across, and then it swings right back down like that. And this is just with brow gel before we've even touched the brows with the pencil yet. And to make sure that my concealer isn't drying on me, I just pull down like that. Next up from there, it's almost back out again. We've been all around IKEA looking for the best spot. I didn't bring my edge control with me, but it's cool, sis, it's cool. Two brow pencils of choice that I use. I want to show both of them to you all, the way you can decide which one you prefer best. I have the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. This one is in ash brown. It's cheaper than the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. Just to show you all, it doesn't matter which one you use, they will come out the same. I'm going to use the drugstore one, the NYX on this side, and then the Anastasia on this side. That way I won't have brought them in vain. Both of them are micro, which is what you want, really small. Again, coming here, and then I go up. And since I already used the brow gel, really I'm just filling in everything else. Here, I need a little bit more. I don't go for the Instagram like super filled in brow. What would y'all call this? Feathery? I don't know. I wear makeup, but I'm not like a makeup guru. I just do my face sometimes. Just move around with it, but in an upwards motion. You want to focus on my face. See that? And it's just putting little strokes on it. After that, take the spoolie side and I brush up. And even though we use the brow gel, you can still brush through it, it's fine. It's about the brow routine, not the product sometimes. Like, you gotta master your routine, not I'ma just get what she got. Does that make sense, D-Side?
Your video 5.
So starting here, if I was contouring, that's where I'm connecting it to. My contour will come down right there. So I'm being mindful of that point, even if I'm not doing my entire face, and that's where I'm carving from. I don't like the box in the front, so I won't ever put my pencil at the beginning and do like that, but I'll probably start like right here and sweep that. And again, I'm not filling in the entire thing, I'm just filling in whatever the brow gel didn't get with the pencil. Rule of thumb for beginners, you can take whatever you're using, kind of put it like this, wherever your wing would be. Like your wing would come out right there, right? It shouldn't go past that on the brow. We really in IKEA doing this. Who you know built like this? I'll wait. We're sweeping through to make sure that the product is distributed evenly so that it look nice and smooth. You know, like what I say, don't play. Like, we're gonna do a little bit more touching up. I just dab it, pop, just like that. To make sure they're even, if you want to connect them here. If I was doing my whole face, this is where the concealer would also come down right here. But we won't do that today. Brows, lip gloss, a little mascara. That's what we mostly give the girls. After that, you want to take a brush like this. It's fluffy, but it's small enough to do what we need. I purchased it like probably at Burlington or something when I first got into makeup. I'll just link some good brushes though for you all. This better be my best brow tutorial. This is the first time I've ever talked through an entire brow tutorial. Let me get my concentration going. Like, it's not so much of the brush, the end of it itself, the way that the end right here is laying flat. I'm just gliding that along my skin, like, ooh, boom. Since this is foundation, it won't dry down as quick on me. I don't need both sides, but I'll let it run and chop it down. Appreciate it, D-Side. D-Side likes my new setup. Let me know what you guys think of my new setup. It's hot in my house today.
Your AC broke?
My AC is broken. It's fine. It's fine. I just do this kind of messily. Like, I ain't gonna even fake it for y'all. Blend out. We got company, but you know, we do this. The point is to just blend this out. And of course, like if I was doing the rest of my face, we would be putting foundation on, and then the beauty blender, everything will get blended out anyway. But if you're only doing just brows, you gotta still make sure it's blended. Can you check my purse? Cause I brought a wrap strip. We not doing this cause my water not working either, so. I thought one of the employees was gonna say, sis, but she's waving instead, saying, hey, so we good. We good. A girl just waved.
I see granola bars.
I got granola bars in my purse. I took my wrap strip off when y'all came to get me. So you walk back in the house though. But I had already dropped it in here though. But where I put it at, Destiny? Where you put it at?
Was it balled up? It's probably on out on the nose.
Hold on, let me take my time. Take my time. Finish my brows in a second. Tie my hair down. Where is my wrap strip? Oh my. We're just gonna keep going. All right, it's already tied up. I'm gonna gently untie this. If we had a bottle of water with us, we would really be lit. I just tried to check and see if that'll come on. This ain't gonna do nothing, I bet. That's gonna mess me out.
Hey, where's that place you can mold it?
I don't know.
It probably laid.
If I was doing a full face, I would use my Sephora Micro Smooth. Mine is in Deep 56. Alyssa Ashley probably put everybody on to the Micro Smooth, honestly. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush instead. We're gonna keep it drugstore since we use Maybelline for the brows. We're gonna use their powder as well. D-Side put me on to this when we swapped makeup. Check out the video. It's on her YouTube channel. Say hey, D-Side. And check her video. She filmed one in here too today. So this is the, why I always wait till I take the top off and I be holding it up in the air like I ain't been doing this since 2011. Maybelline Fit Me Light Medium 20. I'm just gonna dip. I like to keep my house nice and clean so I'm not making a mess at all. Even if it was concealer that I used on top. We don't want shiny brows. We woke up like this. It's just always accessing it when you take the top off of it, so I just tap into that. And if you want to put it on top of the brows so that they don't have a shine, do it really lightly. Y'all want to be closer to me? Final time. I like it zoomed out like this. You just want to brush your brows once more, going upwards again, and to make sure you're distributing that powder through. This keeps the brows from being shiny. Most brow pencils are made of a waxy material. Wax, when we light our candles, what they do, they melt, sis, they melt. So if you're anywhere where it's hot at, we don't need those problems. Touch up anything that you need to touch up. And again, I don't go for like the super filled in type of brow. So this is me. I got company again, just casually walking by, but I do this, sis, I do this. That's what we got going. Also, check out my skincare routine. You see the vibes, fresh face vibes. I would go so far as to show you all my no makeup routine, but I'm gonna hold off on that. It's my highly requested brow routine in IKEA, sis. Y'all didn't request IKEA, but I gave you IKEA because I do this. I don't, D-Side. This was D-Side's idea. Public Get Ready With Me challenge.
So the first thing I'm gonna do when I wake up in the morning,
Do we get?
no, we don't.
If you see your favorite guru doing this, and they call it something else, you know what they got. You know what they got. Stop playing.
No, share this video with somebody. Be like, girl, it's this girl on YouTube. She was doing her eyebrows in IKEA. IKEA, yes, sis, IKEA. So share this video with a friend. It flattened it a little bit. Okay. Hold on, I need a thumbnail while I'm still in IKEA. Pop on a little gloss, a little Fenty gloss. Man, I wish I had an edge brush with me. A little bit of mascara. This is the Dang Girl mascara by Too Faced. Y'all want to see that side? Because my edges is really laid on this side. I honestly don't feel like doing mascara. I just want to do the brow portion. If y'all want to see more, give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know. Let's get this video to 4,000 likes. And we'll come back and do more makeup in IKEA. How about that? Okay, we need the thummy thumb. How could I do it?
Do it in YouTube face with the thing right there. Or do how you do your eyelash.
I wish I had a
If
hairpin.
you stand right there, you can give us. And I said, oh, if you stand right there, you can do the side with the thing.
You right.
This one.
That'll do. I can't get a thumbnail, I'm slowing out. The lighting's still good.
Wait, step back again.
Tell me when it's good lighting. Twist that dial if you need to, whichever way makes it brighter.
I think it's good. Oh, you can't even see. You know you do your eyebrow like that with the whoa. But like, whoa, make that note head like that. I mean, you gave us something because you can put IKEA and stuff on the screen.
I mean, if they don't watch it, then you know, as hard as we just went doing this, y'all better watch this video.
Yeah, that's a millie right there.
That's a millie right there.
That's a millie, boy.
I just gotta clean up my stuff and we finna get out of here. Yeah. Never had a TikTok. Put that back in there. I should have brought something for my hair. Show y'all my outfit. I may as well show y'all my outfit. Okay, guys. So, girl, somebody is looking at my bathroom again. This house is not for sale yet. This is my outfit of the day. Fun fact, everything is from Walmart. Tank top is from Walmart. Shorts, Walmart. This is my fossil bag. I got this bag from Goodwill actually years ago. Actually, I wear it like this. People in my bathroom stealing stuff. I done told them. And she just came and took my soap dishes out my house. I guess I'm getting evicted. My stuff getting confiscated. Oh, this is embarrassing. Oh, I didn't show you my bathroom. Bathroom tour. I keep my towels over there. I sit over here and I put on my lotion and things like that. Or sometimes I'll sit here and do it. It is a his and hers, but I'm currently using both sides. Yeah, I paid $2.59 for that. You know, we have to brag about how much we pay for all of our things. Yeah, you can get this rug as well for 60 bucks. This is my shower over there, my toilet and everything. And I'm still deciding what I want to fill in over here. That's my bathroom, guys. Just in case. Alright, we done. It's a wrap, folks. What did I say? We out of here.
That's just how we live. Money and pretty women. Highness and fitness.